are we, babe? So we're gonna vlog our first and every date for this year. Kaya consider. We're here at Crazy Garlic. This is the best. Amazing. Hi. My dream is to come here for my conference. Oh! Bye!
Have you ever been to Yardstick Bar?
Vlog time. Fake fan lang po. Ito po yung totoong fan ng Marvel.
May Oni.
Mag-hi kayo, guys! Bye! Fit check. Kahit ba?
Monja, okay pa hindi siya nasabi. Alam mo, yan na yung sa akin ni Levi. Pag may susuotin ako sa salamin, sabihin, baka may grado ka.
Cozy Room Podcast. 30-something podcast. Kaso pag nag-30 na si ate, 30 na kasi si ate.
Shoutout to our sister.
Maingit ka lang na may podcast. Tapos magpo-podcast ka, mag-isa.
Well,
Ayun na nga.
take na lang. Yung una,
Hindi,
meron
kasi yung intro namin, sabi namin friendship. So, tapos
Oo.
napunta kami sa college. So,
Okay.
now, it's just not making any sense.
Mic
Mic test. Can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear
Oo,
me?
narinig na.
Date babe! Date babe! Pause, right?
Hello, vlog. I wanna. Small gifts time. 1, 2, 3. It's so cute. It's awesome. So my gift to them from Match and Match. Ate. This is for you, CEO. And for Mama. It's a pouch. Pink pouch. Doon nilagyan ko din ng mga ano. Because I got the pink one. Small gift is this for CA and CK. And then this one for you para lagay ulit natin sa camera natin. So, face mask na I can put this sa... Mom has a gift too! Ah, Mimi! So cute! Got the goodies! I'm vlogging. Kanina actually, nung bumili ako ng ticket for the hoppers, ni ate doon na, Ma'am, kayo pa lang po yung bubuk. Pero okay, bili pa ako, kumain pa ako. Wala akong Greenwich, yun yung food ko rin kanina. Tapos parang pagpasok ko, fuck, I'm super alone. Like, nasa gitna pa ako, pinapakalma ko yung sarili ko slight na parang fudge. Walang mumo dito. Wala dito yung sinasabi nilang myth na babaeng may ahas yung katawan, gano'n. The movie, it's super cute. sobrang kamukha talaga doon ni Bobby yung lizard. Lalo na yung, So yun, ang gagala po na ako hanggang 4. I'm gonna be eating at Bonchong for how many minutes lang? Because what we're gonna do later, we're gonna buy tickets for my second movie, and then we're gonna watch another movie. So I'm gonna eat. Guys, what happened?
Palit sila ni ano ni Vito.
Ayun na naman si low HP. Kala mo nag-drive.
Sorry.
Sa 2 terabyte. Hindi kasi maganda yun sa'yo lang. Bobby! Yung nagtawag ko kay Bobby.
Parang ang hirap ng David.
Diba? Parang hindi ikaw.
CJ!
Ay, ikaw, CJ. Nagustuhan mo ba yung bagong
Si CJ, sa kay Bat Revelations. Sana sa... Ito ko yung nakuha ko si CJ. Sana sa